today we are going to cover angle of intersection of two spheres, that is radical plane. Okay, so take the first question. This is very, very important. Two spheres of radii R1 and R2 cut orthogonally. Prove that the radius of the common circle is R1 R2 by root over R1 square plus R2 square. So let's see how we begin. So let the equation of sphere through common circle. Common circle is x square plus y square equals to a square and z is equal to 0 be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2kz minus a square is equal to 0. So this is the formula for equation of circle through common circle. Equation of sphere through common circle. Okay. Now let the equation of spheres, two spheres, be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2k1z minus a square is 0. Let this be equation number 1. And the second equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2k2z minus a square is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now comparing equations 1 and 2 with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d1 is equal to 0. Plus d2 is equal to 0. So if we compare the given equations with these two general equations, we get 2w1 equals to 2k1 and d1 is equal to minus a square. So 2 cancel, we get w1 is equal to k1. So over here we have compared first equation to the first general equation. So we got w1 as k1 and d1 as minus a square. Now we need to compare the second equations. So what do we get over here? The same way we get 2w2 equals to 2k2 and d2 equals to minus a square. So 2 cancel, you get w2 is equal to k2. So r1 is equal to root over k1 square plus a square. So r1 square is k1 square plus a square. So if you square and square root get cancelled. The same way r2 is equal to root over k2 square plus a square. And r2 square is equal to k2 square plus a square. Now, since two spheres cut orthogonally, what is the condition we have for orthogonal? 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. This is orthogonal condition. So if we substitute the values 2k1 k2 equals to minus a square. So you get 2k1 k2 equals minus 2a square. 2 cancel. You get k1 k2 equals to minus a square. Now squaring on both sides, what do you get? K1 square, K2 square is equal to A power 4. Now, since R1 square is equal to K1 square plus A square and R2 square is equal to K2 square plus A square, so can I say K1 square is R1 square minus A square and K2 square is R2 square minus A square? Now if I multiply them, we will get R1 square minus A square into R2 square minus A square is equal to K1 square K2 square. So now let's see how to proceed further. So R1 square minus A square into R2 square minus A square is equal to A power 4 because K1 K2 is A square. So K1 square K2 square will become A power 4. Now let's multiply these two brackets. How to multiply? This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So R1 square R2 square minus A square R1 square minus A square R2 square plus A power 4 is equal to A power 4. I can cancel A power 4 and A power 4. So we get R1 square R2 square. From these two terms, I can take minus A square common. So we get R1 square plus R2 square is equal to 0. So R1 square R2 square is equal to A square into R1 square plus R2 square. So A square is equal to R1 square R2 square by R1 square plus R2 square. So A is equal to, if I take square root, we get R1 R2 by root over R1 square plus R2 square. Therefore, radius of common circle is A equals R1 R2 by root over R1 square plus R2 square. Now let's take the next question. This question is also important. Find the equation of the sphere that passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 is equal to 0, comma 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0 and cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0 orthogonally. So here you have to pass through two circles and it cuts the sphere orthogonally. So first let us write given equation of the sphere. Given equation of circle is S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 is equal to 0. And there is a plane equation, we denote it by u. U is 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0. Then the equation of sphere through the circle S equals to 0 and U equals to 0 is given by S plus KU equals to 0, where K is a parameter. So that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 equals to 0. This is S. So let us take only that equation without is equal to 0 plus K into 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 equals to 0. So we have x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 plus 3kx minus 4ky plus 5kz minus 15k is equal to 0. Now we need to take x, y, z terms common. So we get x square plus y square plus z square. So if I take x common, we get 3k minus 2 into x. From this term and this term, we are taking x common. Next, 3 minus 4k into y. From this term and this term, I took y common. Now the same way, we have to take z common. 5k minus 4 into z. Now constants I am writing in one single bracket. So now we will compare them. So comparing equation number 1 with the first general equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0. So we get 2u1 is equal to 3k minus 2, 2v1 is equal to 3 minus 4k, 2w1 is equal to 5k minus 4, d1 is equal to 6 minus 15k. So u1 will become 3k minus 2 by 2, v1 will become 3 minus 4k by 2, and w1 is 5k minus 4 by 2, and d1 is 6 minus 15k. Also, the sphere is given to us in the question, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0. Let's take this sphere equation as equation number 2. Now we are comparing equation number 2 with the second general equation. What is the second general equation? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0. So we get 2u2 is equal to 2, 2v2 is equal to 4, 2w2 equals to minus 6, and d2 is equal to 11. So 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So we got u2 is 1, v2 is 2, w2 is minus 3, and d2 is 11. So after finding all the values, since equations 1 and 2 cut orthogonally, so in the last question I have given you orthogonal condition. What was that condition? 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. So 2 into 3k minus 2 by 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 4k by 2 into 2 plus 2 into 5k minus 4 by 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 15k plus 11. So here 2 cancel, here 2 cancel, and here 2 cancel. So you get 3k minus 2 plus 3 minus 4k into 2 plus 5k minus 4 into minus 3 equals 17 minus 15k. Now if you open the brackets, 3k minus 2 plus 3 twos are 6, 4k into 2 is 8. So 6 minus 8k. Now this into this into this. Minus 15k plus 12 is equal to 17 minus 15k. So you get 3k. See, minus 15k minus 8k is minus 23k. Minus 23k plus 3k is minus 20k. Now 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16 is equal to 17 minus 15k. If I take this term here and this term here, we will get 5k is equal to minus 1. So k is equal to minus 1 by 5. Now substituting k is equal to minus 1 by 5 in equation number 1. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 3 into minus 1 by 5 minus 2 into x equals to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 5 into y plus 5 into minus 1 by 5 minus 4 into z plus 6 minus 15 into minus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. So you get x square plus y square plus z square. Now in this bracket we solve. Minus 3 by 5 minus 2 into x is equal to 3 plus 4 by 5 into y plus 5 cancel, you get minus 5 into z. Now 5 ones are 5 threes are plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. So you get x square plus y square plus z square minus, if I solve this, minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13 by 5x is equal to, now take LCM. So we cross multiply. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 by 5y minus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0. Now if you take the LCM, you get 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 13x is equal to 19y minus 25z plus 45 is equal to 0. So we can take all terms one side. So we get 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 13x plus 19y minus 25z plus 45 is equal to 0. So you have a plus over here. So this is the required equation of sphere.